Hello, let's talk about the habitats. Vamos a hablar de los hábitats, que son los lugares que tienen todas las condiciones para que los seres vivos obtengan su alimento, desarrollen su proceso de reproducción y vivan en esos lugares. So the habitats are the places where living things live, get food, and reproduce. Let's see what are some kinds of habitats. For example, the forest. Here we can observe the forest. In this place, it usually rains, and some animals like the bear, frog, and panther live in the forest. These animals live in the forest. Hay otros muchos animales que viven también en el bosque, algunas aves, por ejemplo, monos, tigres, serpientes. There are many animals that live in the forest. The forest is a habitat. The forest is a habitat. The savanna is another kind of habitat, the savanna, and here there are some trees, some resources of water, and some animals like the elephant, the giraffe, the lion live here in the savanna. Also the ostrich. Here the ostrich also live in the savanna. The savanna is a habitat for many animals and living things. Polar regions are also a habitat. Some polar regions, and here some animals like, for example, the polar bear. The polar bear live here in the polar region. The reindeer, penguins, and seal. These animals live here in polar regions. The polar bear, penguins, seal, and reindeer. So the polar region is a habitat for many animals. Desert is another habitat. In the desert, we can find cactus, a lot of sand, it is very hot, and camels live here in the desert. Camels, some snakes, algunas serpientes como la cobra, lizards, algunos lizards, and many animals that live here in the desert. Aquatic habitats. En los hábitats acuáticos habitan muchos animales. Los hábitats acuáticos pueden ser los ríos, los mares, el océano, lagos, pozos, all places where there is water. So in the aquatic habitats we can find turtles, fish, dolphins, octopus. Many animals live here in the aquatic habitats. Forest is a habitat, savanna is a habitat, polar region is a habitat, desert is a habitat, and aquatic habitats. For example, the sea, the ocean, rivers, streams, etc. All places where there is water.